In this video, I'm going to show you how to install an alignment camber bolt on your Kia Optima. Located behind the front wheel, let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, go ahead and remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. With the tire off, we can see the upper bolt, and this is the one that we're going to be replacing. Using a 24mm wrench on the nut side and a 19mm socket on the bolt side, we're going to go ahead and remove it. Take the nut out and take the bolt out. Now we can go ahead and install the bolt, making sure that we remove the nut and this washer. This is what you're going to be looking at. You want to make sure that this plate is facing the front of the bolt because it's going to be using this little notch to make the adjustments. We're going to go ahead and slide it in this way, just the way it is. Line it up. Sometimes you might need to push this assembly inwards to line it up. Put it all the way through, and now we can go ahead and install the nut and that washer on the other side. The washer goes this way. We're gonna go ahead and slide it, and now install the nut. Now we can go ahead and get it snug. Using an 18mm wrench, we're gonna hold the bolt. And on this side, we're gonna be snugging up the nut. Using a 21mm socket, go ahead and just get it snug. Do not tighten all the way yet, we have to torque it down. When you tighten this up, you want to make sure this flap is facing this way. Now we can go ahead and get this torqued to 87 foot-pounds. It is important to get the vehicle to an alignment shop after installing this kit. You want to make sure you tell them that now your vehicle is equipped with a Camber kit. Install the wheel. Start the lug nuts by hand. And get them snug. With the vehicle on the ground, we're gonna go ahead and torque it to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.